Oh my god, guys. Yes, they're here. Hurry up. Then we film. Alright guys, so welcome back for another video. We got Sam Swell with us. We are installing the KC lights on the Mazda. So I got one kind of mocked up already, but we're going to show you exactly how this install is going to go. So let's get into it.
Idea what he's doing. What?
Alright, so I drilled some holes in the bumper here, and we supported it with this bolt. I put a lock washer on the back side. Get out of there. I put a lock washer on the back side, and then as you can see here, the light is just kind of sandwiched on that bracket. So this sticks it out far enough so it's not going to run into the grill. I have the grill completely disconnected so we can actually reach back here, and our harness is right there. Wiring, yay. So we're going to get to it.
You're looking at me.
I had to drill a hole into the grill. I'm going to have to get a bigger grommet because obviously that's not going to work. So next we got to wire in this harness, and we got a relay and some grounds and the lights itself. So we'll get to it. So here's one of the lights, and I'm going to try to go through the hole where the AC is right there. If I can do it. And we're just going to kind of loosely get everything lined up, and then we'll worry about making it better. I just want to route it first. So this has to make it all the way to this light. Damn it! Give myself a lot of wire here. I think that's just a... That can't be... I don't think that's supposed to be in there, do you?
Yeah, it is. That's a weather pack connector.
Oh.
Keeps out the water.
There. So there's one light. So that one's loosely half-ass. I think we're going to go through the same hole with this one, and then we'll just have to try to figure out how to keep it off everything that's hot. So this will go through here. Like I said, we'll worry about cleaning it up after everything's half-ass routed. So this will go... Jesus. This is a pain in the ass.
So is every other electrical project in the world.
Come on. There we go. So then these just have kind of like a nut and a lock washer, and they pinch it, and they got nice little rubber bushings in there so that once the light's hooked up, it doesn't bounce around. Put that through my bracket. So we're not aiming them or anything until we're done with all this. Then I had to drill these holes in the grill, so this will go through here. That. This guy. Ooh. Right like that. Sweet, and then we have all this extra. Holy shit. So we'll worry about zip tying this and cleaning it up in just a minute. Okay, so the relay is going to get mounted. God damn it. The relay is going to get mounted somewhere on the wall here. I'll just do it with a self-tapper. Where should I put this?
I'd put it like right up here.
Okay.
Right next to the AC line.
Jesus. But honestly, it's actually pretty nice. Everything's plug and play. You don't have to hardwire anything. They just go, oh, this is for the switch. So this comes.
Are you gonna run that through the firewall, or what are you gonna do?
Yeah,
with
that's got it. There's a grommet firewall over there. Okay, so that's kind of out of the way. Now for the fun part. Where's my self-tapper? There we go. Why? This is really hard to do upside down. Get in there. There we go. Sweet. So this will go, I'm just going to put it on this nut. And like I said, we'll clean everything up after it's all connected. we'll get everything kind of square.
Quick tip for the people at home. Doing this is sketchy. Find a better power source.
It says battery on the connection, on the instructions.
Yeah, it might say that, but how trustworthy are the instructions?
Mechanics always follow the instructions, every single time.
Except when the instructions are wrong and you have to figure out what the you're doing.
We'll worry about tightening it all up later.
Sorry for the shaky camera work. I'm not a professional.
Yes, you are.
Huh?
Yes, you are.
Not a camera work. Looking like Michael J. Fox. Too soon?
Probably. I go right to the battery.
No better ground than the actual ground. Any words for the viewers at home?
Hi, Mom.
Who are you kidding? She doesn't watch these.
Monster Squash Racing.
What?
He'll know. If you know, you know.
Is it a Jeep thing?
He's one of my top subs, man. That's my dude.
The man, the dude, the bro, the homie, the legend, the guy, the beast, the man.
Okay, shut up. So now this is all for your switch. So this will have to go over here. And if you come look over here, we got a grommet that's already not in place. Right down there. So I'm just gonna sneak these right through there with my little dick beaters. Maybe.
An attempt was made.
Ow. Who designs this?
Japanese people?
Asians must have little tiny hands. God damn it.
Historically, yeah.
That's their.
What do you mean their feet?
They used to tie their feet together.
That's China.
Asians.
That's foot binding in China.
You said Asians.
I said Japanese.
Oh.
Now who's racist? For the viewers at home, really A, cut his finger, B, make it through, or C, actually do it the way that he wanted to.
Oh my god. Bending brake lines is good, right?
I mean, don't
clutch
pinch
line.
it, but it's fine.
I can seriously not. How am I going to get those through there?
Do you want me to try?
No, you got fat fingers.
Yeah, but I got strong finger game.
Okay.
But am I lying though?
Here we have a man that's lost his hands in the abyss. Will he recover? No one knows. Rest in peace, Steve Irwin.
That was the worst day of 6th grade ever. First day of 6th grade, Steve Irwin died and I missed the bus.
A mechanic's favorite activity: hiding under a dashboard and possibly taking a nap.
Alright, so we got the wiring through. You can see this is all going to be for a switch. And if I can pull it out of here, there's our switch. I had a lot of fun doing this because the switch is literally the same size as the little plug that I had left over, and I wanted to use a factory plug. So I ended up getting it to work, but it just took me about 45 minutes.
A very familiar position for any mechanic.
This is yoga, automotive yoga. We're trying to get the switch wires through the...
Go impress a chick with a helicopter dick.
So I'm gonna actually stick the grabber in the hole first, and then I don't have to reach my hand all the way up there. So I'm just gonna do it like this, and then find the wires. Alright guys, so we got the lights hooked up. Obviously we got to go through and route everything, so now I'm not going to put this part in there, it's a waste of time. I'll show you at the end how all of it turns out. It should be a pretty clean install. Again, KC lights have been super awesome, but I've always wanted a set of KC lights and now I got them. It's probably too much money to put into a piece of shit, but it's going to look awesome. So we'll get this routed and then we will adjust the lights and show you the finished product.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, guys, so that's going to do it for the KC light install on the B2600. Get out of here. So that's going to do it for the B2600i 4x4 KC light install. Oh, we got to do a brightness test.
Oh, those are covers? Looks like daytime.
Yes. All right, guys, so now we're actually going to close this video out. We got our brightness test. I think the KC lights look nice. Personally, light bars I think are overdone, and every 16-year-old kid has one. I went with the late 80s, early 90s style Baja type lights to match my shitty little truck here. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
I swear they never really understand me. I need a comma like I need a Grammy. She laced the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges.